Sabi nga nila, everything happens in a blink of an eye. Ang bilis niyong lumaki. Naaalala ko pa nung hiwalay kami ng dad nyo. Every Sunday, dinadala ko kayo sa Next Gen habang mag-isa akong nakaupo sa worship service. But seeing you both dance so cute back then, yun yung naging liwanag ko. Fast forward to today, nung dinala namin kayo sa Elevate Campus Unite, hindi ko mapigilang maiyak habang nag-worship. As Ate Kayla raised her hands to God, bigla akong naaalala yung maliit na bata na sumasayaw sa Next Gen. Bittersweet sa totoo lang. Ang bilis! Can I keep you this small and live with you forever? Alam ko hindi. But praise God. Today, I am living in my answered prayers. Your dad and I are back together, plus we have Manuel. And seeing you two grow up so nicely, wala na akong hihilingin pa. Mga anak, wag na wag kayong titigil sa pagdadasal. Remember, you reap what you sow. I sowed prayers during my darkest season. God worked. And this life today is what we reap. I love you.